yourself.
Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Miriam De La Cruz, 31 years old, married with 4 kids, 1 boy and 3 girls. I currently residing at Puro 4, Barangay 3, Mercedes, Camarines Norte.
Okay. Please tell me about your working experience.
I work domestic helper to Mr. Anwar Al-Sabah in Kuwait for 2 years since October 2008 and 2009.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in Kuwait?
My duties in responsibilities as domestic helper to manage to the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of baby.
Okay. How many members of the family did you serve while in Kuwait?
I serve
Two adults
2 adults
and one.
and 1 baby.
Okay. Do you have to take good care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of newborn baby by feeding them every 3 to 4 hours. Born to the baby after feeding, change diaper, since the baby to sleep while singing lullaby.
Okay. What will you do if your employer's baby is crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper if it's wet or check if the baby is hungry. But if the baby is still crying, when I will inform my employer that their baby is crying for the long time already.
Okay. Are you also willing to take good care of an elderly people?
Yes, Madam. I'm willing to take care of an elderly person since I have a grandparent. I take care of them, like my especially by selfing them to take their food and medicine.
Okay. How would you handle naughty little children?
I will handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them, so I could get their attention. I sing them with them, teach them good manners and right conduct, reading books together, and give them love and care.
Okay. Do you also know how to cook? To cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and minola. Others also know how to cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, noodles soup, and I'm very much willing to learn more.
Okay. Do you know how to operate modern household appliances?
Yes, I am. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave, and others.
Okay. What about if your employers will ask you not to take your day off because it is they have the visitors? What will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve an employer together with their visitors.
Okay. What will you do if you found some money or jewelry inside your employer's pocket?
I will give it back to my employer Ma'am, I want to work in Hong Kong because I high salary give to the domestic helpers to which I can help in support my family to provide their needs in financial matters.
Okay? What would you like to tell to your prospective employer?
Sir, Madam, if I will give the opportunity to the work as your helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustly. I promise to the finish in 2 years contract without using any problems. Thank you, Sir, Madam, and God bless you.